just give us the money, please. We don't have time for this. Why can't you just cancel?
Yeah, because already drop, already pick up.
Where's that? No, we have a car now. You said tip. You said tip. You didn't want to go.
Kau udah ke pick up, Pak? Kau udah ke pick up? Tujuan kemana, Pak? Tujuan kemana? Monkey Forest. Oh, lumayan. 100. Loh, bapaknya pick up udah di sini.
Iya, tapi dia mau cancel ya.
Loh, jangan pick up dulu.
Dia mau minta cancel gimana orang minta? Ya, dia gak mau.
Berapa bayarnya, Pak? 53. Berapa itu bayar itunya itu? 20-an ya berarti ya? Enggak itunya. 72. Udah ke pick up soalnya bapaknya.
Cancel or not? No cancel.
No, I can't. You have to cancel it. I can't cancel it to you because you already stopped the drive.
Itu udah start.
No, we have a car now. You said tip. You said tip. You didn't want to go. You wanted to go to the car. So now you need to cancel the ride and we'll report you. And we want to leave. I don't know what the problem is. Just cancel the ride. No, you don't finish your cancel. So she doesn't get charged.
Okay, do cancel.
No, because you want the money, but you're not going to take it. You want just report. I don't know what you want me to do.
Suruh bayar itunya aja, Pak. Apa namanya? Buat adminnya aja. Berapa? 20-an ya? 72. Berarti kan 20-an.
Tell him to cancel the ride. Because now he wants the money, but she's not getting on. We took a picture of your license plate. We'll just take a picture of you and we'll report it. I don't think you want this problem.
Itu bayar apa, Pak? Cash apa, Pak? Tunai.
No, I don't want your money. Cancel this on the ride.
Repot dia nggak.
Then give her the 71,600. Give her the exact money, the 71,600. Give it to her. Or you cancel it. 71,600. Honestly. I don't know what you want. I don't know what's happening right now. You're not going to scam us here or anything. Just cancel it. I can't cancel it.
Nggak bisa cancel, Pak. Harus di drop itu. Masalahnya udah ke pick up masalahnya. Bayar tunai kan?
Ya, non tunai.
Oh, non tunai balikin berarti, Pak. Balikin itu aja berapa? Berapa totalnya? Buat
53.
5370 berarti kan?
Aku kena tax katanya. Nah, tax katanya.
Balikin itunya aja, Pak. Apa namanya?
We're not going with you, okay?
Then why you
We are not going with you. First of all, you don't come. Second of all, now you started the ride and she wasn't ready, and now you can't cancel it because you got a car. Because you
Why
said
you
you want tip.
Why you
And now just give us the money, please. We don't have time for this. It's really, you just want
Berapa
the
itu,
money.
Pak?
I understand, but we just want to go. It's 72,600 on the app. Yeah, you can look.
Kasih 50 aja, Pak. Hello, Miss. Maybe 50 because the no 20 for admin because the aplikasi not full. Driver
See what it says?
because the driver receive how much? You pay 72 because the driver coba lihat.
Aber was ist, wenn er cancel?
Because the
Why doesn't he just cancel it? Then no one needs any money.
no because the already pick up only stop because the driver receive pick berapa Pak? The driver receive each one.
3,000.
Yes, because the driver because the admin.
Then this money.
Kasih 50 Pak.
Yes. Then 52,600.
Yes,
That's what it says
sorry
on there.
because the application cannot
Why can't
cancel.
you just cancel?
Yeah, because already drop, already pick up.
Was ist das? Was alles? Sieh mal nach. 10.000, 30.000, 40.000.
Kasih 55 Pak. Berapa?
Das ist 50.000. Wie viel schuldet er?
Already 50?
Das
50.
ist 50.000.
Kasih 5.000 Pak.
Hat er sich geantwortet?
Yes. 5.000 lagi Pak. 5.000 aja Pak. Udah kasih.
Der Auto steht auch da. die ganze
Okay.
Zeit.
Because the 20 for admins.
It's fine. Okay. Sorry about this.
Yes.
If you
Yes, because cannot cancel, only drop. Because already pick up.
But like how would you do it now?
Yes, only the phone can drop. Yes.
Okay. Thank you for your
Welcome. Aduh, aku malah di cancel malah. Dapat barusan. Aduh, repot ini. Punya aku malah di cancel Pak, barusan dapat gara-gara ngobrol.
Kan orang tak tinggal.
Ya nggak bisa Pak, soalnya itu kan udah itu apa namanya, udah ke pick up. Seharusnya kalau dia mau cancel kan sebelum nyampe udah di cancel. Bapak udah pick up, udah ketemu tadi.
Ya temu dia mau nunggu sebentar katanya.
Nah itu udah repotnya, dia mau ngorder mobil bertiga masalahnya. Dikira dia kan nggak tahu, mungkin dikira apa namanya, mobil yang dikirim apa namanya.
Order mobil dia.
Iya itu dah nggak bisa soalnya kan udah di pick up, udah di drop Pak, udah di drop.
Ya.
Iya, aku juga pernah gitu Pak. Baru jalan 2 motor, yang cowok naik motor sendiri, yang cewek tak bawa. Baru dia keluar villa, cowoknya sekitar 100 meter kecelakaan. Dia terpaksa balik lagi. Lumayan banyak waktu itu.